నగరంలోని యంగ్ ఇండియన్స్ హైదరాబాద్ చాప్టర్ సిఐఐ సంయుక్తంగా దేశ రాజకీయ పరిణామాలపై ఫైర్ సైడ్ చాట్ సమావేశాన్ని నిర్వహించారు. సామాజికవేత్త షాజియా, ప్రముఖ రచయిత అమిత్ బగారియా పాల్గొని పలు విషయాలపై చర్చించారు. అమిత్ బగారియా రాసిన కాంగ్రెస్ ముక్త్ భారత్ పుస్తకాన్ని ఆవిష్కరించారు. కాంగ్రెస్ ముక్త్ భారత్ తాను రాసిన 12వ పుస్తకమని అమిత్ అన్నారు. ఇది బీజేపీ, కాంగ్రెస్ తదితర పార్టీలకు సంబంధించింది కాదని, దేశ రాజకీయ పరిస్థితులను, సామాజిక అంశాలను ప్రతిబింబిస్తుందని తెలిపారు. ఇప్పటి వరకు దేశానికి ప్రధాన మంత్రులుగా పనిచేసిన 14 మందికి చెందిన విశ్లేషణలను ఇందులో పొందుపరిచామన్నారు. తన అధ్యయనంలో అత్యుత్తమ ప్రధానులుగా నరేంద్ర మోడీ, పివి నరసింహారావు నిలిచారని పేర్కొన్నారు.
I think this is a book that has to be kept in every newsroom because it is not just about Congress and BJP and left and right and UPA and NDA and vote shares and seat sharing and coalition and politics and Modi ji and Rahul and all of that. This is about India, new ideas, new vision. Where do we need to go? How much distance have we navigated? What all has actually happened? And the best thing about it is that Amit here, who actually is an entrepreneur, of course he's been a journalism student and studied from the best universities in the world, has actually been not just a great historian, not just a brilliant academic, not just a very astute researcher, but has been a fantastic fact checker and has brought together this information to all of us in this very readable, extremely reader-friendly, user-friendly book, which is something not based on propaganda, but on facts. He makes his case. It's almost like an empirical study based on statistics, facts, solid data crunching, like never seen before. It is not self-indulgent. It is not about semantics. It is not about wordplay. It is not about self-promotion. It is about India as it is, policy, legislation. It is extremely objective. From the title, you might be thrown off. Congress Mukt Bharat. There is an obvious bias here. It's evident. But when you read, you realize that whatever the case he makes, it is based entirely on facts. Something that is totally missing from our political domain, from the narrative, from the news we read, we partake of, which is brought to us on television screen.
A very good evening to, I am the chair for CII. I have my co-chair along with me.
Hello, I am Siddharth Malani. I am the co-chair for Young.
Integral part of Confederation of Indian Industry, and it's a non-government, not-for-profit organization, and is wholly owned by CII. So, in Young Indians, basically we have got 3 pillars. That is youth leadership, thought leadership, and nation building. Along with, we have certain verticals and certain projects that we do as part of Young Indians. So our projects are Gift an Organ, wherein we are spreading awareness on organ donation, and we've got one more project called Vertical as Masoom, wherein we are going to schools and making young children aware of good touch, bad touch, and we are teaching them against what is child sex abuse and how you can stop doing it, how you can raise your voice against it. And we've got our project as Climate Change, wherein we are working towards a better sustainable future in terms of water conservation and green tree plantations and etc. Then we've got our Vertical as Yuva, wherein we are bridging the gap between the classroom to the boardroom. It is basically nothing but encouraging the college students towards entrepreneurship. Siddharth, would you like to add something?
YI is a multifaceted organization. Unlike most other youth organizations over here, that is the USP. In spite of being part of CII, we are focusing not just on business, but on other nation building activities also.